How many friends do you have? Facebook builds loyalty. There's a lot of buzz around social media marketing, and for good reason. Let's take a few minutes to look at how Facebook builds loyalty. If you're like most people, then you probably have a personal Facebook account where you keep track of your friends and family. You might have located an old high school sweetheart or found out that your old nemesis from 6th grade is now a preacher in Middle America. Whatever the case may be, Facebook is a fun way for people to connect. It's also extremely addictive, and that's what makes it a super effective marketing tool, one of the best, least expensive ways to build loyalty. While you might be one of the few folks who does stay off Facebook in your personal life, people like you are few and far between. Let's take a closer look at why Facebook is such an important part of any social media marketing campaign for small, local businesses. Build loyalty. Have you ever noticed that the more stake you feel you have in something, and the better relationship you feel you have with an entity, the more likely you are to feel loyal toward it? Whether your company offers a certain type of service or a certain product, having a presence on Facebook and inviting your customers and potential customers to join will help you build a loyal following. Facebook accounts build themselves. Well, not really. You do have to interact and make the most of Facebook. But as social media marketing goes, Facebook is easy. Here's an example. You build a Facebook profile with basic information about your business and a few snazzy snapshots. Now you're up on Facebook, but you don't have any friends yet. Don't worry, they'll show up. Once you've gotten your profile up, it's time to start looking for people you know. Go through your customer list and look for them on Facebook. Invite these people to be friends or fans. Once you have some friends or fans, invite them to participate in a special offer. Let's say you have a coffee house. The special could be Facebook Friday. Friends and fans get a latte for $2. Come in and see our new fireplace. You'll be swamped on Friday, and you'll be building brand loyalty through social media marketing. So, take a look at Facebook, see what different companies are offering, and come up with your own plan. If you're pressed for time, consider hiring a consultant to help you with the aspect of marketing your business via social media. You'll be thrilled with the results. Thank you, and please contact us for more information.